Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you around our newly renovated camper. After 1 year and 7 months, we have finally completed it, so let's show you around.
First of all, this is like a furnace in here. It is extremely hot. I've got some windows opened to try to get some airflow in here, but it's not that consistent. But anyways, I don't plan on being in here for that long, and if I need to, I'll just bring a fan in here. But let me kind of show you what I'm about to tear up. So first, behind me here, let me turn the camera down. These cabinets are going to come out, and we're just going to end up having to build new ones. And then this up here, Samantha wanted to keep this, and it may be nice to do it, so I may try to leave this intact as best I can and just replace the board under the bottom here.
Alright guys, carpet is removed, but there's another carpet behind it, so we'll see how easy it is to remove that one. We are ripping out all of the interior walls in our vintage camper.
Alright, so I've got to get all of these rivets off of the walls.
Oh wow. We are installing the interior skins on the camper. So when you walk in, you have the bed seating area. So we made this seat right here mainly for our dog, but just kind of like a nice spot so you can just hang out and sit instead of having to sit on the bed. But also we have plenty of space on the bed to have like a full comfortable space to sleep, but also hang out if we want to. So it's really nice. Plenty of storage. Underneath the bed is where all of our water and electrical and everything is set up, but also in the front you have cubicles so we can store linens, clothes, whatever. But also underneath this seating area is actually a spot where you can put plenty of storage as well. So it's really nice to put all that extra stuff that you don't need often underneath this seat. So then you come in and we have our kitchen over here. We have a 2-burner cooktop right here. Everything is electric in the camper. We made everything electric. And then we've just got some spaces to where we can hang up some stuff and put like our cutlery and stuff here. We put a nice little sink right here. It's deep, so you can stick some dishes in. And we like this sprayer right here. Really nice. You can just rinse everything off. So we like that. The shades that we have throughout the camper is really nice and functional. They work really good with blocking out the sun, but also they're really easy to use, so you just pop them down or pop them up. Underneath this cabinet right here, we have built to where you have your trash bin. So it just rolls out, so it's really easy to function. So then right here you have a place where you can put your cups and maybe seasonings and like coffee and stuff right here. Just a nice little space where you can put some of your extra stuff that you're using. But also we have a really nice spot right here to where whenever you're camping you can put like your dishes and your pots and pans and different things. But also underneath here you can actually remove this board and you have plenty of space back there to put some of the stuff that you don't need often. You can store it back there. So it's really nice, easy to use. We did not put an oven in here just for the simple fact that we thought it was not really something that we needed, but we do have a air fryer slash toaster oven. So it has really come in handy. Everything that we needed to make, we can make here, but also you can have your camp stoves and stuff that you could use outside. So we thought that was really good. We didn't really think that the oven was needed for our camping situation. But we also have a really nice refrigerator and freezer here. So we thought it would be really good to have like a really good storage of refrigerator, but also freezer, because when you're on the road you just never know what you need. It's really nice to have like some camp meals frozen and then you can pull them out as you need. So they're already pre-made, so I like that. So over here we have just a really nice space that you can either work or eat. You can prep meals over here as well. So it's got a really nice window right here that opens up, and then there is plenty of storage underneath here. So we have these chairs in here, but you don't have to have them. We just thought they would be really nice to work or eat. So underneath here we have outlets. If you did want to work, you can charge all of your electronics. Underneath this right here, there is a spot outside to where you can actually go in and store some of your stuff. So we've got like plumbing, hoses, and all of that stuff outside, but it's actually underneath here. And then it's just got a really good spot to, you can put bins and just different things, storage, as well as clothes and things. But also these are really deep, so you can put a lot of stuff in these right here. Like, we're not even using all of the space. It's really large down in there, so you can put a lot of stuff in this camper. Also, we have a remote right here, and this is for our mini split. So we have a heat and cooled mini split that we have on this wall, so you can have air and heat come through the whole camper. It works really nice, and then the exterior part of it is mounted to the front of the trailer. We also have that same unit in our home, just a larger scale, and we really like it. We did not put a door for the bathroom because we didn't really feel like it was necessary. So we used curtains so you can have your privacy. And in the bathroom, it's very simple and basic. We wanted to keep it as simple as possible. So you have like a mirror right here. Has a really nice window right here that opens up if you would like to have it open. There is a toilet. There is a rack right here that we have installed just like in the kitchen, to where you can hang stuff like your towels and just like different things that you would need for the bathroom. And in the shower, we made it very simple but usable. So you have just a small shower area, and in here you have a wand. And what's really cool is this wand right here, if you did need to rinse off possibly maybe your pup, you can actually open this window up and rinse them off or rinse your feet off instead of having to get in your shower and worrying about all of that. So we try to make this camper very simple, modern, and functional, and I think we did a really good job with that. We have plenty of spaces for storage, and everything works really nicely. We also like the look that we made this camper. It's very minimalistic, but it also meets all of the needs that I feel like you would need when you're camping. And we really had some fun on the paint exterior. So it was originally the anodized aluminum. But because it had not been kept up over the years, it really could not get that shine back. So instead of trying to deal with that, we actually just went the route of painting the exterior. And I know a lot of people won't agree with that, but we really thought painting it was like a fun thing to do to this vintage camper. So we went with the green and the white because we thought that was really cool. And I think it really just makes this camper pop. We've had, on the couple of stays that we've used this camper, we've had multiple people ask us about the camper. They really thought it was cool, and I think everybody likes the paint job. So when we got into this camper project, we absolutely did not know what we were getting into. We had no idea that it was going to take this long, but also take as much work as it did. Our budget changed, I think, 3 different times. It's been a process. It's been a learning process for both Wade and I, and we've had a lot of fun, and some things we didn't have a lot of fun about, but we learned a lot along the way, and I feel like we did a good job, especially since we've never done anything like this. And yeah, it did take us a long time, but we have enjoyed the camper in the process. So we are very pleased with the outcome of this camper, especially since we are not professionals and we basically had to figure out as we went what we were doing. And there was a lot of things that we had to do multiple times just to figure it out. But I feel like that is what makes this camper even cooler, because we were able to fix it up together and have a little fun. And it's like our little gym. So with that, I think the camper renovation is complete, and we have enjoyed you guys following along. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.